CSC. I'm currently in third year and I'm pursuing a career in coding only. So it's my summer training right now, and I've opted for Brain Mentors full stack merge stack development program as my choice. So this was a 4 weeks training program, and I think I really enjoyed the program. In previous experience, I had done a little bit of 2-3 hackathons and had a little bit of experience in machine learning, but actual coding in colleges, I feel that it's a little bit less. So you need real industry experience. What I believed happened in training is they have excellent trainers, especially Amit sir is truly amazing, and I got to learn how actually development happens, because development can't just go on writing code in a single file, just continuously typing code. You have to actually think about how the project will go on, how the structure of the files will go on, how things will interact with each other, and that's something I think Brain Mentors, the training actually helped me understand. So from this training, I could understand how JavaScript works, how front-end development with HTML, CSS works, how React works, how a backend server can be made with Node.js, Express.js, and how all this can be used with MongoDB. We also taught how to make all these services live with using Render, AWS, and we actually made a project which is currently live on our website on Render, and we are currently having presentations to display that. So I believe this is an amazing course. For personally, my rating would be 10. I might be a little biased, but it's honestly a 10 out of 10. And thank you so much.